everyone and welcome to Goma at Home. And today, we're preparing pork humba. Humba is popularly known sa southern part of the Philippines. So it's a Visayan dish. Pero pag kinumpare mo sa Luzon dish, para siyang adobo na matamis. Pero meron siyang versions na iba nilalagyan ng pineapple, and then this one nilalagyan siya ng black beans. So this is what we're preparing now. Pork humba with pineapple juice and black beans with muscovado sugar. What is humba? It could mean two things. In Visaya, it could be humot na baboy, or humok, or humba. The other one is humot. Humot na baboy. So it's either malambot na baboy or mabango na baboy. And this is how we'll begin cooking. Heat your pan, put in high heat para ma-brown natin yung pork. Make sure knife is sharp. For me, I like the meat pieces a little big. Masarap kasi pag medyo malaki. About this size. We just cut this and then we'll brown it. Once na mag-brown na siya, ilalagay na natin ibang ingredients niya. First, the basic adobo ingredient of onions, garlic, toyo, and suka. Once all the pork is in, clean up your table and wash your hands. Okay. So this time, babrown na natin to. Wow, there you go. Ang ganda, oh. Give it some color. And then, while it's browning, putulin na natin yung onions natin. Cut it in half. Cut the top part, both sides. And then, take out the skin. Diba, nasabi nila, balat sibuyas ka naman eh. Bakit ba ganun? Bakit balat sibuyas? Because onion skin, the pinaka-outer niya, manipis talaga. Cut it. There you go. Dice it a little. By the time this is done, isang ikot lang natin ng pork, and then we can put in our onions already. Oh, nice color. Nice color. So beautiful. Okay, after this, we'll put in our onions and garlic. We'll crush down the garlic. And then, with that, we can already put in our first batch of condiments. Lalagyan natin yung garlic. And then, we'll put in our onions. There you go, onions. We'll put in our pepper. Put lots of pepper. And our bay leaves. Okay. Put in about a cup of vinegar. Wow. And a little soy sauce. That's our basic adobo setup for humba. Mix it. Oh, there you go. Nice color. So after 10 minutes ng boiling, lagyan natin ibang ingredients niya. Ito yung distinctive sa humba. Meron siyang brown beans. So, pag humba, almost always meron siyang black beans. And then, bulaklak ng saging. See? Andiyan na naman sila, oh. Yung mga gangsa natin, oh. And what we put is not just brown sugar, but muscovado sugar. Why? Kasi pag muscovado sugar, mas mataas yung molasses content niya. And then we'll put in our star anise. Let's put in about 6 bango. There you go. And because we are in Humok and we are very famous for our pineapple, we'll put in pineapple juice. There you go. Let's mix it. Bring it to boil. There you go. Ganda. Let's try the sauce for a while. Wow. Salt. Bring it to a boil. Once it's tender, it'll be ready to serve. Wow. Our humba's cooked. We'll turn it off. Look at that sauce. Look at that. It's so thick, so rich, and you can smell the pineapple juice. Sarap. So I'll put it in the plate. natin some sauce. Okay, let's try it now. Sarap. You can smell and taste the aroma of star anise, the banana blossoms, and the saltiness of the black beans. Sarap, it's really good. It's perfect with hot rice. Okay, so thank you for joining me. And if you want the recipe, you can take a photo of the recipe card at the end of the show. And if you have the time, try this. But don't forget to tag me and leave a comment, okay? So I'll see you next time here in Goma at Home. Kaon ta. Lamig kayo.